Hello, I'm Godfrey de, and I'm very pleased to present here M-Classi, a new digital tool created at my home university UC Louvain to store, to search and to visualize a great number of classifications of the sciences, mostly, but not exclusively, in the Islamic world. Currently, M-Classi is in its beta version. It is totally available for free to anyone. Just send me an email and I will provide access to you. To help new users to navigate the system, I have prepared a short demo showing M-Classi's main functionalities.
By default, the device opens with the list of classifications currently available in M-Classi's database. You have several options to get access to a particular taxonomy. Among other things, this will enable you to visualize the structure of that classification. This can often be done in several ways, as for instance with this arboreal representation. In some cases, as with this famous Ottoman classification, the number of sciences considered is so elevated and the internal hierarchy so sophisticated that the only valid representation is in the form of a graph. The comparative function allows you to put face-to-face with one another any two classifications of the database. Here is the first one on the left-hand side, and here is the other on the right-hand side. There are common features, that is, their sciences and categories will automatically be highlighted. M-Classi also features a cumulative graph whose algorithm enables you to interrogate the entire database in a variety of ways through different filters. You can, for instance, restrict your research to one language or to a selection of languages. This will naturally affect the entire visualization of the results. To find a particular science from any of these configurations, you can type, for example, its name in English. M-Classi will list all the classifications mentioning that science. Additionally, it will provide useful insight into the relative place of the science in the overall knowledge organization, revealing its male affiliations with related disciplines. You can also type the name of a science in any of the source languages. In the same manner, the box on the right will show you all the classifications that include that science, with the different appellations it receives. M-Classi's lexicon is the place where all the sciences of the database are put together, arranged under different forms of their names in English and in the other languages of the system. M-Classi also allows you to highlight some predefined groups of sciences, such as the religious versus the rational sciences in the Islamic world, or the sciences that used to be considered occult in pre-modern times, or the 7 disciplines that make up the famous liberal arts, in other words, the trivium and quadrivium as known in the Latin Middle Ages.
Thank you for your attention. In case you have questions or anything, please feel free to contact me at this address.